नमस्कार, मैं ज्योति। पैचवर्क बनाने के कई सारे कारण थे, जिसमें से मेजर रीजन इज कि वी आर हैविंग 8.5% ऑफ ग्लोबल टेक्सटाइल वेस्ट दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया। अब अगर आप इसको और आसान शब्दों में समझना चाहें, सो वी हैव अ कैपेसिटी टू कवर मोर देन 4,000 cities in India with textile waste. So this is a very important reason कि we wanted to use the fabric and make something unique. Also, I would want to mention, हम बहुत unique चीज़ या unique काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, but we are trying to push, make a patchwork or make things out of the fabric waste so that we can help reduce the fabric waste, which is a very important part of our environment. So when we talk about slow fashion, when we talk about fabric waste, and when we talk about sustainability, so all three things are mixed. So हम हमारा fabric waste लेते हैं, which is not exactly a waste. It is just the leftover fabric, which we use and design it into beautiful home textiles, beautiful clothing, which is very chic, and you can use it and you can reuse it in fact, and we can promote slow fashion. A few pieces जो हम डेवलप कर रहे हैं और जो हम फ्रीक्वेंटली डेवलप करते हैं आउट ऑफ पैचवर्क. दिस इज अ 3-piece सेट. दिस इज अ क्रॉप टॉप. Then we have a baggy pant with it. Now when you see the pant, you'll see we have not just pasted the patchwork in here. We have given it a very designer look where we have placed beautiful flowers and petty kind of idea. So this is from the series. This is another piece. Again derived the idea from nature, flower and petals. So इसके साथ we made a comfortable palazzo pant, which you can see here. Right? So now it also has beautiful flowers in here. Comes with a pocket, the most important thing. Pockets on both the sides, in fact. So here is one more beautiful piece. This piece comes with a pant. So now if you see, we have again used the very basic idea of patchwork. So here are all hand block printed fabrics and a few plain dyes which were left, and we used it to make a beautiful patchwork fabric, and then we designed it into a beautiful outfit. Now you see, we have also added handwork in this so that the piece is enhanced using buttons here and on the sleeves. Sleeves are also beautifully done with the gathering at the elbow side. So this is a beautiful piece. New collection. So now we designed this fabric and clothing out of it so that it can be used in multiple ways. So we made these quilted jackets. You can see beautiful plain dyes, plain patchwork is used in here, right? And we also made a similar half sleeves jacket in the same, using hand block printed piping so that it gives a little oomph factor to the product. So here comes another thing which we made. So now you see, with the same fabric we have made bags as well. These are unisex cross bags which can be used for your office purpose, for your college purpose. Multi-purpose bag है ये. आप देखिए, इसमें zips हैं, अंदर pocket है. So what I am trying to say here is, आप पैचवर्क से बहुत तरह की चीज़ें बना सकते हैं और उनका कई तरह से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So आपने देखा कि हम पैचवर्क किस तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. We are making quilted jackets, right? In both full sleeves and half sleeves. At the same time, we are making very smart bags which can be used for professional and personal use. We are making beautiful waistcoats, and we are making other things. So you need to tell us what kind of lifestyle you want, and we'll design those products for you. So to add, I would say patchwork is coming down from ages. हमारे ट्रेडिशनल बैकग्राउंड्स को आप देखें और आज के मॉडर्न डिज़ाइंस को देखें, So बड़े बड़े designers are working on patchwork. They are using different kinds of fabric and making patchwork for their designer fabrics. So yes, आप बताएं कि आपको क्या चाहिए, हम आपके लिए वो डिज़ाइन करके